The taste of this spaghetti is on another level. It's so delicious. Hi, welcome back to Royal Eat With Kitchen. We are so happy to have you. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Today we are making jollof spaghetti. We need cayenne pepper, also called chombo, onion, and scotch bonnet, ataudu. Blend everything roughly. Add little vegetable oil to your pan. When the oil is hot, add your marinated chicken. This chicken will be marinated for an hour. We use curry, thyme, cayenne pepper, and some seasoning, also suya pepper, to marinate this chicken. Use any spice that you have in the house. Pan fry the chicken on a low heat until it's properly cooked. Remove the chicken from the pan when it is done. In the same pan, you are going to add some onions and fry it a little. Add the carrots, add the green beans, and fry for a few minutes. Add a little seasoning to it. Stir everything together and remove it from the pan when it is done. Add more oil to the pan. Fry some tomato paste in it. Keep stirring until it's dry. Add some chopped tomatoes and fry for some minutes. Add the roughly blended peppers and fry everything together until you see that it is very dry. You make sure you fry your tomato very well. This sauce means a lot in this cooking. If you don't fry it very well, you end up not having a very good result. So you have to take your time and fry your base, your sauce, very well. Add little seasoning to it, and this time feel free to taste if you think you need to taste it. And see, I'm bringing it close to the camera so that you can see how it's looking. Add some chicken stock to it. For your spaghetti, you are going to add it to a boiling water. When your water is boiling, add little salt to it and add the spaghetti. Allow it to parboil for 5 to 7 minutes. Turn it into a basket to drain the water. Then add the spaghetti to the sauce that you have prepared. Mix everything together to combine. Now it's time for you to add the vegetables. The vegetable that you have fried, add it to the spaghetti. Add some sweet corn or any vegetables that you like. Then you add the pan fried chicken. Stir everything together, mix it until it's well combined like this. Cover the pot and allow everything to come together. on a very low heat. So after some minutes, the spaghetti is ready. You can see how it's looking so perfect. Look at that. Your mouth-watering spaghetti is ready. This spaghetti, you need to give it a try. Even if you don't like spaghetti, I tell you, you will enjoy this one. You will love it. You will love it. You will like it. You will enjoy it. It will fill you with this kind of happiness, that taste that gets into that part of you that you will say you will not forget. Serve it with chicken and salad and enjoy. Thank you to all our amazing subscribers, and if you are watching our videos for the first time, you are very welcome. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Make sure to try this recipe and let's know how you love it. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.